Hi there, hi everyone. Eid Mubarak, yes, Eid Mubarak. That means a blessed festival, yes. Today it's the end of the Ramadan. Yes, today in the daily newspaper of Friday, April the 21st, 2023, end of the Ramadan, yeah, for the Muslim people. We have here two regular puzzles. The Sudoku light, I've already solved this one a minute ago. We have a regular Sudoku Heavy, but in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. I've showed you earlier letter Sudoku 2 stars, 3 and a 4-star Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars and a tectonic with 1 star and the binary. 7 extra puzzles. I will do 4 of them, not all. But let me start with this Sudoku Heavy number. Let me zoom this in. Yeah, number 6311. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in additional, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. For a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. 20 to 30 minutes. Alright. Is this really a 3 stars puzzle? I don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s, 3 2s, 2 3s, 3 4s, 4 5s. Alright, 4 5s, 3 6s, 2 7s, 3 8s, and 3 9s. So the 5s are in majority. Can I start with the 5? That's the question. Well, 1 2 3. Well, will be difficult. Can start with the 5. 4 4. How about the 6 in this row? 6 in the middle row, so the row below. Only place left for the 6 should be there. The 9 in the first column, the 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 in the first row, the 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 6 8 7, 6 8 7. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next to that column. Only place left for the 6 should be there. 9. 7 and 8. Okay. So we have 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7. 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 in the third row, 8 in the first row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, there only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 8 8 8 cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait again. 1 1. The 2, three missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and look, we have 1 and a 2 in the first column, so no 1 and 2 in this box. 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. 4 and 6. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, the 4 goes there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 6, 6. Then 3, 3, 5, 5, 4, 4, 4, 5. Yeah. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Come on. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in the first row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between. Middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, okay. 1, 3, 9. 2, 2, 8, 8. Wow, need a 7 here, need a 7 there. 1 and a 2. 1, 5, 6, 5, 5. 1, 5 and the 4. Well, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. And look, we have 4 and 5 in this big square, so no 4 and 5 in this box. 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between. Middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9, okay. 3, 3. 4, 4, 4, 4. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. No, 4. 4. Wait. 4. Wait. We have a 4 and a 5. So the 4 should be here. How about the 5? 5 here. Yeah. 7. 4. Need a 4 here. in this row, 8 in that row. So 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, only 3 places left for 8. So we here or there. We see an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. Here an 8 in that column, so no 8 there. Only place left for 8 should be there. 9, 9, 9. Yes. No. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9, 9. Yeah. 4, 4, 4. 5, 5. Alright, we have a 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so in that row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 5, 5, okay. How about now the 9, 9, 9, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 3 boxes here, 9 in this row, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2, 3, and 4, 3 in the 3 in the 5, 3 in the 5. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2, wait. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. Alright, and now 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Wait. 2, 2, 2, 2. Do we have all the 2s? Yeah. 2 in the third row, 2 in the first row. Row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Can I count? And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. How about the 8s then? And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. How about the 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so in that row only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here 9 in that column, no 9 there, so the only place left for the 9 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 9. Alright. Then let me see. 7. The 3. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this one, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there in this big square. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. We have a 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright, 1 and 2 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright, 7. Need a 7 there. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Okay. So Yeah, two missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 and the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next to that column. The only place left for the 4 should be there. Then 4 and the 5 for the 5. So here we have two missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. One box left in this big square for number 1 then, okay. 1 5 7 1 5 7, okay. 1 1 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5, 4 and the 5, okay. How about these two? 3 and the 6. Yeah, two missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 3 goes there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 in the first row, 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. 18 minutes. Well, 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars because I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, without notation. Without notation. Well, without notation. I like this one. If you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great, fantastic Friday.